Before installing your Stages car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The rearward-facing mode is for children under 18 kilograms or for children from birth to approximately 4 years old. It is recommended to keep a child rearward-facing for as long as possible. This is why Stages has an extended rearward-facing rating up to 18 kilograms. To install, make sure the car seat is in the most reclined position. The top blue triangle should align with the bottom blue triangle. When used rearward-facing, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just below the child's shoulders. Remove the infant body support. Pass the vehicle waist belt through the vehicle waist belt slots. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Then, engage the vehicle buckle. Pull and tension the waist belt. Pass the vehicle shoulder belt through the 2 rear-facing vehicle belt slots at the back of the seat. Press the car seat down firmly into the vehicle seat and pull the vehicle shoulder belt to fasten the car seat securely. Reinstall the infant body support, but please remember the infant body support is only for children under 9 kilograms. Double check that the car seat is securely installed and does not move on the vehicle seat. Locate the storage bag on the back of the child seat and remove the blue locking clip. Attach the blue clip to the diagonal belt only. Then, while pressing down on the seat, pull the belt to tighten the child seat securely. Hold the belt tight, then slide the locking clip down as close to the buckle as possible. Group 1 is forward-facing for children between 9 to 18 kilograms or ages 1 to 4 years old. There are 3 recline positions for Group 1. The top triangle should be aligned with one of the 3 red triangles. When used in forward-facing Group 1 mode, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just above the child's shoulders. Adjust the headrest and shoulder harness straps to the correct height. Before installing the seat, adjust the car seat to the desired recline position. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and thread the belt through the 2 forward-facing vehicle belt slots at the back of the car seat, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Open the lock-off device and insert the shoulder safety belt. Double-check that the car seat is securely installed and does not move on the vehicle seat. Storing the shoulder harness for booster. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harness toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps, buckle and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway storage compartments. Pull the buckle through the slot in the seat pad and then store the buckle in the harness hideaway. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Group 2 is forward-facing only and for children between 18 to 25 kilograms or children ages 4 to 7 years old. Only positions 1 and 2 are acceptable for Group 2 riders. The top triangle should be aligned with one of the first 2 bottom red triangles. When using in the forward-facing Group 2 mode, place the child in the car seat Then place the vehicle shoulder belt over the child. Loop the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. Pass the vehicle waist belt through the waist belt slots. Then engage the vehicle buckle.